Well, welcome back to Dobbo's Fishing Adventures. Horrible easterly, bloody typical, isn't it? Bit of wind over tide is not making the evening very nice. Bit slow, is the old saying. If the wind's in the east, the fish bite the least. I don't know. But it's great to be out. Been very busy at work, so happy days. And I've got a very good friend of mine with me tonight, Mr. Terry Smart. And you're all thinking, bloody hell, Dobbo's actually got someone with him. So yeah, two of us tonight. It is a bit slow, I have to say. Just the one Smoothound, probably just touching double figures at the surface, came off. And the weed's not great either. So fishing the usual mark off the hill head, usual tactics. Whole squid, 4.0 and a 2.0 pennel to £30 amnesia. So yeah, happy days. Right, let's hopefully we can get some fish in the boat. Or have I got a Jonah with me? Like Terry? Nah, it is what it is. Great to be out regardless. Catching the fish is a bonus. Right, bring it on. Let's have some fish on board. Happy days.
Righto, we're on.
Well, welcome back at last. Finally get something going. Come around here, Terry. It's taken a very long time, but I have to say it has been really slow. And this feels like a very good smut. Try and keep up with it. Absolutely screamed it down tight.
Beauty.
Right, there we go. Yeah, nice.
Can you? He's milking it, boys, he's milking it. It's in. Well done, mate.
Cheers, Terry. That was a long time coming. I have to say it has been very, very slow this evening. Come on, settle down.
Yes. Beauty. Nice one, mate.
Happy days. Lovely. Cheers, Terry.
That's how you do it.
Brilliant. Well, welcome back, and yeah, nice Smoothound there. Sort of like probably 9, maybe into doubles, but probably more than 9, I would say, realistically. Had one about the same size first chuck, but I have to say it is a bit slow tonight. It's not exactly fast and furious, but it is what it is. We're trying. It's not as though we're not putting all the effort in. Got another boat come out, it looks like, for the evening night. But no, all good. There's the sun just poking through the clouds. Cruise ship just going out. Yeah, it seems to be a bit slow. We've had the odd little rattle, possibly from a bream. The odd little bream bite, but no, it is slow tonight. Could be that easterly wind, who knows, but to be fair, it doesn't generally affect it on my side of things. I've had some cracking trips on easterlies, but perhaps tonight is one of those nights where an easterly they just don't want to know, but it might be different when the sun goes down. Bit of darkness, Still got quite a few more hours to go, so fingers crossed it'll pick up. Yeah, we've got squid, rag, mackerel, so we've got a nice variety of bait, so just keep plodding on, that's all we can do. Bring it on, isn't that right, Terry?
Bring it on, mate.
There
Happy
we go.
Days.
Happy days. Well, just had the first dogfish of the night. Gave some quite strange bites, but it's another species. Be nice if we can find a ray. That would be nice. But yeah, first doggy. This is how grim it is tonight, where I'm actually filming a dogfish. But it is what it is. Let's put it back. Cool. Let's get the rod back out. I just had a couple of real nice knocks then. It was a Smoothounds. But it's picking up slowly now, we're getting a few more bites. There we go, he's there, something's there. But all in all, it has been certainly a slow trip tonight. No two ways about it, but I suppose you can't have all good trips. The thing with Smoothounds is they hit it and they sort of like give you quite a bit of slack line, so you've got to find where your lead is. I would say he hit that and dropped it, so it hasn't been out there long, so I know the bait's good, so I shall put that back and wait a bit longer.
Avail.
Yeah, something there. See if that was the doggy just playing with the slack. Doggy it is, I think. Something there. Probably not seeing this very well because I ain't got my lights on, but I bet it's a dog. Yeah. A doggy. 2 dogs tonight. Grim. Oh, and he's off. No, there you go. Back. Cool. Happy days.
Evenings on Magic with Vincent for beds. We know that everyone has different sleep needs. Visit us in store to get your bed your way. What was the moment that you knew?
That's when I realised that weeks had gone past.
Dropped it again, Terry.
Fussy, isn't it?
They are tonight. Well, I have to say it has picked up a little bit more now the sun's gone down, but we've had a few more dogfish. The weed's certainly a lot better this way with the tide. Did just have a good bite going, but I think it was a smut and it's dropped the bait, but No, there's been a bit more action in the last hour, so hopefully another hour or so we'll start getting some more fish come through. Well, we're getting quite a few bites now. Things have just suddenly picked up since that last little bit of footage. Sorry, some of us are getting bites. Sorry, Terry. No, dropped it again. Let's have a look at that other rod, that was going as well. There we go. There we go. I thought you were there still. Oh, you're running down tide, are you? Oh yeah, go on then, go on then, go on, go on, go on. Go on, go on, go on. Take it. Loads of slack line there. Is he swimming? Yeah, they're certainly very finicky. They are hitting it, but seem to be dropping it. That always said was a smut. No. Oh well, leave there a bit longer. Almost ready for a bait check. Dropped it again, Terry. They are that. Oh no, very unusual. Very unusual. Oh, that's a good one, Terry. As soon as I pick it up, it's like it drops. Come on. Nope. Very strange.
Very strange.
As I say, the bites are picked up tonight, but yeah, very finicky. They hit it and drop. Beautiful evening now, round with the tide, certainly very mild, but a few more fish wouldn't go amiss. But hey ho, another couple of hours, bring it on. There we go, little conger and a little bubber as well. Look at it. Oh, it's another species. To be fair, that could be some of the bites we are getting. They're quite fast and aggressive, not always feeling like a dogfish, but that could be what's down there. Beautiful, lovely little conger. Happy days. Let's get him off, get it back down. What have we got then, Terry? Doggy. Another doggy, mate. Happy days. Small fish, that's all that matters. Well done, mate.
Cheers, me dears.
Well, welcome back. As I say, it's been a bit of a slow evening. Getting a few more bites now. Got a few more dogs. Had that little strap. We got the couple of smuts which we did come for, but to be fair, I already thought there may have been one or two more, but yeah, they just seem very finicky tonight. No matter what baits we put down, it's just very finicky bites. We've done squid and mackerel wrap, done squid and worm, mackerel and worm. But since it's got dark, you know, the bites have picked up, but as I say, they are finicky tonight. Got about an hour left. We're going to pack up around midnight. So let's see if we can pull out something half decent. It'd be nice to see a ray, but I don't know. Time will tell. Well, welcome back. Well, that's the end. We just packed up. I have to admit, a very, very slow night. Just the two smuts, a few doggies, and one little scrap eel. Certainly not my best night, but hey ho, it is what it is. Great to be out. Turned out really nice. Got a sheet of glass out here now. We've got a few miles to run, and well, on the next trip. So thanks for watching. We shall see you next time on Bobo's Fishing Adventures.